Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Sparkle Cooking. Today we will learn how to make tasty and savory mutton masala pav. So, let's start with the ingredients. Mutton 350 grams. 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste. Half tablespoon salt. 3 tablespoon oil. 1 tablespoon garlic. 1 large size onion. 1 or 2 green chili. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Half tablespoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder. Half cup capsicum. 2 tablespoon white vinegar. 2 tablespoon tomato ketchup. 2 tablespoon red chili sauce. 1 boiled potato. Fresh coriander, as desired. Fresh mint leaves, as desired. Pav bread. Mayonnaise, as desired. Processed cheese, as desired. 1 tablespoon butter. A 1/4 tablespoon chili powder. Recipe. First, put 350 grams of boneless mutton in a pan or cooker. You can also use bone-in mutton. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon salt. Then add half a cup of water to it and close the cooker. First, cook it well on high flame till the mutton is tender. When the mutton cooked well, dry the mutton on a high flame and mash the mutton pieces. If you are using bone-in mutton, drain the water first and then separate the bones and meat, and then mash the mutton pieces. If it looks difficult to do, then you can take it out, let it cool in a bowl, and then shred it with your hands. Take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a separate pan or cooker and add chopped onion, 1 or 2 chopped green chili, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, and then add the mutton that we have prepared. Now add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce and a half tablespoon of black pepper powder. Note, if you have dark soy sauce, so take a half tablespoon of it. After adding all the ingredients, turn the flame on and cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes while stirring. After frying the ingredients, lower the flame. Now, add 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, half a cup of capsicum, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of red chili sauce, and 2 tablespoons of vinegar or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice instead of vinegar. Now mix the all ingredients well while stirring and cook for a minute. Note, we have not used any salt in this, as we have added the salt while boiling the mutton. After cooking for a minute, add 1 boiled mashed potato, some chopped coriander leaves, and some chopped mint leaves. Mix well and mash all the ingredients well. After mixing well, taste the salt, and if you need more, add the salt as per your taste. Turn off the flame now and let the mixture cool down. Now take the bread and cut it from the middle, not separate it completely. On the bread, spread mayonnaise or butter, whatever you want. Now on the bread, add the mutton masala mixture that we made earlier. You can also add processed cheese if you want to add. Now take 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter, and keep the flame very low. Then add a half tablespoon of red chili powder and some green coriander and stir it. With low flame, now add the pav in it and make it crispy from both sides. Cook it on low flame till the cheese melts. When the cheese has melted, then remove the pav from the pan, and that's done. Serve the hot mutton masala pav with your loved ones. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the videos and share them.